What is happening, BC Spirits? Welcome to BC Spirits Spirit Day number 21. Can't believe we've been doing this for 3 weeks. It's crazy. Today I wanted to touch on a really fun one that I did a really long time ago. I did the lemon and orange episode ages ago. It took me like 7 or 8 hours to find all the things I needed to buy because I wanted to do the Gillespies. But that's not really the point. But today, the spirit of the day is the Woods Limoncello. Now, why is this really cool? Now, there's a couple of limoncellos that are on the market. I know that Arbutus does one and a few other people do one, Gillespies obviously. But the Woods guys, they have a vacuum still, which is relatively nouveau sort of technology where they suck all the air out of the still, and it's basically like a rotovap, if you know what a rotovap is. So everything boils at a much lower temperature when it's in a vacuum, which means that the ingredients don't get boiled as aggressively as they do in a distillation process. So the cool thing with this is that they have some rotovapped ingredients. They have vacuum distilled peppercorn, chili pepper, and fresh organic lemon per bottle. So one lemon per bottle goes into this. So it's the peppercorn and chili pepper that is the interesting ingredients in this one, because you don't usually see that in limoncello. But I'm telling you, for this one, it changes the game for it. Oh, God. On the nose, straight away, candied lemon. But I think it's subliminal now that I know what's in it with the chili pepper and the peppercorn. You get this sort of like, not musty, but sort of like a spice cupboard sort of feel to it. Just in the background, like spice-covered pepper grinds. Oh, it's 30%, so it's not cloyingly sweet at all. The acidity is still there. I can feel it all up around my gums, up here on the top of my mouth. Served chilled, for sure. 30%, really nice. But the spice, the chili pepper and the peppercorn, have this beautiful spice that is just sort of sitting there, and it balances out. It gives the lemon a little bit something. It's almost like putting salt and pepper on your food. It just accentuates the lemon even more so. So that's number 21, the Woods Limoncello. If you like limoncello, and I'm going to tag someone who I know likes limoncello because I saw her on Instagram yesterday. If you're someone who likes limoncello, please go and buy this online. I think Woods online store is open and they have this available. Go and pick some up. Support your local distilleries. Drink local. And that is the number 21 Spirit of the Day, Woods Limoncello. Go get some. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.